Welcome to this tutorial on kubectl installation. Kubectl, pronounced kubecontrol or kubectl, is the Kubernetes command line tool. In this video, we'll learn how to install and configure kubectl on different operating systems. Kubectl is the primary command line interface for interacting with Kubernetes clusters. It allows you to deploy and manage applications on your cluster, inspect and troubleshoot cluster resources, and view logs and execute commands directly inside containers. Think of it as your main control panel for Kubernetes. There are three main ways to install kubectl. First, you can use package managers like apt for Ubuntu, yum for Red Hat, brew for macOS, or Choco for Windows. Second, you can download the binary directly from the official Kubernetes release page. And third, kubectl comes bundled with cloud SDKs like gCloud for Google Cloud, AWS CLI for Amazon, and Azure CLI for Microsoft Azure. Let's start with Linux installation. First, download the latest kubectl binary using curl. The command fetches the stable version for Linux AMD64 architecture. Next, make the downloaded file executable using chmod plus x. Finally, move kubectl to user local bin directory so it's available system-wide. You'll need sudo permissions for this step. For Mac OS users, the easiest method is using Homebrew. Simply run brew install kubectl and Homebrew handles everything. Alternatively, you can download the binary directly, similar to Linux. Use curl to download the Darwin AMD64 binary, make it executable with chmod, and move it to user local bin with sudo privileges. Windows users have two main options. If you have Chocolatey installed, run Choco install Kubernetes CLI. This is the simplest approach. Alternatively, use PowerShell to download the executable directly from the Kubernetes releases. After downloading, you'll need to add the kubectl location to your path environment variable so Windows can find it from any command prompt. After installation, it's important to verify that kubectl is working correctly. Run kubectl version -- client to see the installed version. You should see output showing the client version and the customized version bundled with it. For more detailed information, you can use kubectl version -- client -- output equals YAML, which displays the version information in YAML format. Kubectl uses a configuration file called kubeconfig to connect to Kubernetes clusters. This file is typically located at ~kube/config in your home directory. You can view your configuration with kubectl config view, list all available contexts with kubectl config, get -contexts, and switch between clusters using kubectl config use -context followed by the cluster name. This configuration file contains all the connection details kubectl needs to communicate with your clusters.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.